Oh, sorry guys, there's no craft video today because we are on vacation. My husband likes to take these surprise trips. So we are in beautiful Curaçao on the island. I thought I'd maybe take you with me and show you some of the things we're enjoying here. Just to give you a little information, Curaçao is located in the Caribbean Sea on the continental shelf of South America. It is one of the ABC islands that make up the Caribbean Netherlands. This is a Dutch island and we are vacationing in the capital of Willemstad. Curaçao is known for its colorful pastel colonial architecture, beautiful, clear, spectacular crystal beaches, diving, coral reefs, and I think definitely some of the best snorkeling in the world. We are staying at the Curaçao Beach Resort, which has really beautiful accommodations with these hut-like villas with quite a few natural looking pools in the center, and our place was steps away from the beach.
Hitting the beach is my favorite part of this whole thing.
Right, in the beach.
I won't be home without it. Nice shade over there.
Yeah.
After we ordered a couple of drinks and settled in, of course I had to do some Instagram shots. The beach our resort is on is called Mambo Beach. And like all the beaches in Curaçao, the water is so crystal clear, you can see right through to the bottom. The fish are right there at the shore, so you don't have to go far to go snorkeling. Of course, I like snorkeling without any equipment. I just throw on my goggles and dive down and just come up when I need air, but there's fish everywhere.
After a nice swim, we're gonna go find something to eat. We found a little restaurant right on the sea. It's like a crab walking on the rocks somewhere.
Okay, I was looking for crab, but I was surprised to see so many eel. Look at how big and how many there are. It turns out that the waitress throws the leftovers right off the deck and they come and they eat up everything. They eat the bones and everything. Wow.
The food's here, look at what we got. A little village with little shops.
Next we went on a sunset cruise on a large catamaran. This gave us a nice tour around the island, nice scenery. Got a chance to enjoy a little bit of the sunset and a little dancing and fun. Later we walked around town, where there is always a lot going on, lots of music and food and dancing, lots of activity. We're at that Esteda rooftop. Wow, look at this food.
God.
It's a lot. This is one person meal.
Wow.
What really impressed me about this place are all the people and the restaurants, the hotels. Everyone knew how to speak so many different languages. Whether you spoke English, French, German, Dutch, Spanish, they all knew each language fluently. The natives speak Portuguese Creole language, which is a combination of Portuguese, Spanish, Dutch, English, German, French, and Italian. So I guess that's why it's so easy for them to communicate with everyone. I aspire to be like that.
Taking a drive to the country top beach.
This beach had colorful birds and chickens walking around. This beach is called Playa PortoMari. Of course, the water was perfect and beautiful and clear. This was some awesome snorkeling. Being in the water was like being in another world. There were fish everywhere. this beach, we got a chance to take a ride on a jet ski. fun. Now it's time to go back and rest. And before we left, we went to the Harbor Hotel and Casino, where I had the world's most gigantic prawns and this apple pie. Oh my God, it was so good. It was more like bread pudding with raisins in it, but it was delicious. But overall, it was a fantastic trip, and we had so much fun that my husband wants to move there now. So we highly recommend you visiting Curaçao. You won't be disappointed. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full-color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page, where you can pick up my multi-surface acrylic metallic paint. Get 20% off now through the end of August 2022. Mix millions of colors and create endless home beauty for indoor and outdoor projects. And while you're there, pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1 with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored, step-by-step instruction book. You can now get separate e-project booklets, and also full-color printed project booklets will be available on Amazon. On my Amazon page, you'll see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies used on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast and easy shopping and delivery convenience of Amazon. I'll be working every day to make crafting fun and easy for you. Follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV on all social media for extra home, food, and gardening tips.